Alright everyone, so in this video I am going to do a pressure test on the Capri, and I've obviously already done it, but as you'll see it's quite even across the board, so not too worried about that. But the reason why I'm doing it is because there is a little bit of an oil leak and it looks like it's coming from the cylinder head. I've been told it's not really a problem and Pintos are quite oily things, but I might as well check because I'm going to refit the manual fuel pump. It's just going to be a bit harder to do it then. So yeah, there's also going to be a bit of a car show at Runnymede in this video, so I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, grab yourself a coffee or a pot noodle and enjoy. Okay, so that's just number one plug. Seems quite oily around there, but I can't see a leak on the rocker cover, so I'm not sure where that's coming from. Doesn't seem to be oily on the, maybe a tiny bit actually. Doesn't seem to be oily on the actual top of the plug. Okay, that's just 720 again. Pretty much identical all around. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is swap this back from the electric fuel pump to a manual one, which I need to refit. Reason being is the gaskets under the carb starting to get quite damp, and even though I've replaced this top one, it's still getting a bit damp. So I'm hoping that it's just that this is putting too much pressure through because there's no regulator. So I'm going to give that a go, and yeah, we'll see where we're at. Okay, so now I've attached the new fuel line. It's long enough. I'm going to undo the blanking plate and refit this old pump. I guess this is a push rod. I think it goes there. I'm not too sure about this because I didn't take it off. But yeah, I'm gonna have a go at this. Did just fit the push rod. Just so you know. Okay, so now all the bottom is plumbed up. I'm just going to take this line off and put it on there. I might need to shorten one of these, but let's just see how we get on. Not very good, is it? Okay, so everything's back together now. Shortened down that fuel hose because it was getting a bit close to the coil. Not that that one isn't anyway, but yeah, that's disconnected electronically for now. And I guess the only thing is to fire it up and see if it works. There we go, job's a good one. No leaks. That seems good. Okay, so first trial of running the car for a couple of days of standing with the manual fuel pump. I'll give it a couple of pumps and give it a shot. On the button. Right, I got the essentials now. Coming back to the jalopy. Do love this car. Looks so good. Okay, so heading down to Runnymede today, which is around the M25. Was going to go in the Capri, but it has a couple of slightly rotten tyres, and just didn't think it was a good idea. Plus it's like chucking it down. So yeah, gonna go in this thing. Gonna go get a breakfast first and some petrol. So I don't think that's gonna get us there. Okay, now the car's got a bit of fuel in it. I've got a bit of fuel for me. Gonna get the tunes on and get down to Runnymede. Okay, so it looks like everyone's going now. Hope you enjoy this. It's only a brief video, but it's a little bit of something. And yeah, see you on the next one.